But before we buckle down to work, I would ask you this question. How does it feel to be a champion? What's the answer? It feels great. I feel excited, sabi ni Ben. And I would like to say congratulations to all of us for being champion in the last cover. Most especially to let's clap for ourselves.
14 minutes.
It feels great to be champion after many years of just looking down and keeping quiet because our crown was balangkantis. Now, the crown that we lent is back in our hands, and I'd like to challenge all of you who are at the helm of the division office. Let it be with us. It can be done. You and I, we could do it. And at this point, may we call on our national winner in the recently held quick day, except for a few. Yung dalawang nasa way, andyan na ba sila? Cesar? Wala pa. Ay, delikado ka. Delikado ka. Saan ba close traffic sa Pamplona, Cesar? Anyway, as we go on with the activity afterwards, we are going to interact. But let me make use of this opportunity. And let me take this opportunity to say thank you very much. It has been a pleasure working with you. It seems as if I'm already delivering my valedictorian address. Oo. Pero talagang maraming salamat po for all the support, for all the great help, for all the generosity.